420 Things Grow in Ontario. Back with it with a new unboxing. Got to send a shout out to indoorgrowingcanada.com. They're sponsoring the channel once again for this new grow, and it's also a thanks to Blade Filters. If you're looking for a new carbon filter, let's check this company out. Go to indoorgrowingcanada.com, and if you go there and you use the coupon code 420 things, you'll get a bit of a discount, and first-time customers always get a $10 thing for signing up to their newsletter or mailing list or whatever it is. So, but these carbon filters, these are a Canadian-based company, so I'm really excited to try these out. So, I don't know about you guys and girls out there, my wife is not so pleased with the smell of cannabis in the house. I was rocking cheap carbon filters and fans from Amazon, but man, I was having to replace them all the time. So, reached out to my contact over at indoorgrowingcanada.com, and he's like, let's talk to Blade. So let's get right into this here. So this is a 6-inch filter. I'm going to be running it in my 4x4 tent. Unless I get an upgrade here, I'm looking at a 5x5 tent. So it should be either in the 4x4 or the 5x5 tent, this bad boy. So let's pull this out. There's some cool features about this. So this company is new. It's won a bunch of awards for being innovative and doing some cool stuff in the industry. So I'm just going to put this down here. It's quite heavy. Oh, okay. Let me get this out here. Try not to hit my lighting situation here. Let me just pull this out. But there you go. There you guys have it. So what this is not only is it a carbon filter, it's a replaceable carbon filter. Replaceable filter, what do you say? What does that mean? 420 Things Grow. Well, what happens here is, I don't know if anyone has tried to refill a carbon filter. Well, I can tell you that I tried to refill this one that I have here. And this one is actually a can filter, but listen, I tried to flip it over and not refill it, just flip it over so that it would get the reuse out of it, right? A lot of people say if you flip them over, you'll get some reuse out of it. Well, that didn't happen. All right, so I just have to put it on pause there for a second. But anyways, I got the filter out. There's some cool things, but like I said, about this, it's a Canadian company. But what they do is, you can buy this a little bit more expensive off the hop, right? Clearly, than just a normal, more than a cheap Amazon one. But anyways, once you buy it first, and then what happens is, you don't have to try to get carbon and try to put it in. You pull it apart, and it's a cartridge. So then, when this carbon filter runs out and is no longer working, okay, you pull out the this little thing here. It had some wing nuts there. Ooh. Let's there's some wing nuts on the other side here. Right? Wing nuts on both sides. Get those wing nuts off. Get these wing nuts off. Some lock washers and wing nuts on each side. 6 of them in total. Whoa. And then bam. The unit comes off. So what happens is this is the piece that you're going to keep in your room all the time, right? It's got the flange, it's got the outside edge. And then what you do is, when you're ready to order another one, you get in touch with indoorgrowingcanada.com and you order just the replacement cartridge. Now, what else is with this replacement cartridge? You say, okay, send me the replacement cartridge. It's going to be well cheaper than what you paid for the whole unit. And then what they send you out is, they're going to send you out a new filter, like this unit here, which is going to slide back into your other unit. But what they're going to do is they're going to take this carbon, and because this carbon is ready to go, it's good. They can't recycle it, from my understanding, they can't recycle it for more smell scrubbing. But what they do is they send you a self-addressed stuffed envelope. They send you a packaging slip, and what you do is you send this back. And what you do when you send this back, they take it, and they've partnered with another company. I'm not sure the name of the company, but it's a company that's going to do something to the carbon. It's going to clean it. It's going to do whatever it's going to do. And then what it's going to do is it's going to build water filters. So, man, there's like zero waste to this. So not only are you getting a good carbon filter with the best carbon that you can get out there, it's going to smell, it's going to grate, it's going to get all your smell, it's going to last forever. But then also, man, it's giving back to the community, right? So again, there's people that are going to benefit from your carbon filter that you used in your house, in your basement. So that's man, it's a great Canadian company. So check them out. Go to indoorgrowingcanada.com, check out Blade Filters, and yeah, that's it. So again, it's very simple. Let's just get this back on here. So what I did was, you see that there in the video? Yeah, you can. So anyways, I don't want the lights in the way. But anyways, it just goes out. Right, fits back on. Line it up to the. Oh, where's the? Oh, there. Line it up to the. Oh man, that light is so bright. It's glaring in here. But anyways, you can see. Once you line it up to the. Where are they here? I gotta shut off this light or put some sunglasses on, I think, to be able to see where I'm gonna be putting this. Get it back in there. So yeah. Let me see if I can do this here. There we go, nice and in. Man, that glare is crazy. I'm using my quantum board here for good lighting here. But anyway, so that's it. Put on the wing nuts, and away you go. So yeah, Canadian company, guys. Check them out, Blade Filters, and you can get those at indoorgrowingcanada.com. And like I said, if you use that coupon code 420things, you'll save some money too. So check those out, guys. So I'm going to stop this video now. Decent product. It's a nice big long one. I'm looking at getting some good time out of this. Those Amazon cheap ones, man, they didn't last very long. And even that can filter one didn't last very long. So keep checking out. I'm going to start a grow with this in this new tent. And I'm going to be doing a nice big room in there, so it's going to be nice and stinky. So, well, my wife's nose is the exact test for this. So, yeah, keep coming back for that, and check out that. I'll put a link in the description for the filter, the 6-inch one, and also to just the base indoorgrowingcanada.com one, and the coupon code. Well, all your gardens with greens, ladies and gentlemen, and keep coming back, and we'll see what's going on.